Hello everyone. Welcome to another video. No need to hire a photographer again. You can turn your photos into professional headshots with AI. I'll show you how to do it in just 3 steps. Introducing AI SuitUp. Professional headshots from selfies. AI SuitUp is your go-to for AI-generated professional headshots. It uses the best AI technology to create professional business images of yourself. Try it now, AISuitup.com. Step 1. Head to AISuitup.com. Select your email, ethnicity, body type, etc. Step 2. Upload your 15 casual photos and selfies. Your headshots are ready. Here are some of the best results. Ditch the studio, get pro headshots in minutes. No awkward poses, no expensive shoots, just upload your selfies and let AI SuitUp do the rest. Perfect for LinkedIn, resumes, and Teams. Try it now. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.